Hey, this is Arnest again, and today I want to show you how to make money on Moshop tutorials, how to work with Moshop and make money online in Kenya. So stay tuned as I show you how to navigate on Moshop and start ordering and making yourselves money online in Kenya. This is one of the fastest app in Africa that will help you to make money online without hassle. Everything is done for you. Now stay tuned. At the end of the video, I will show you how to navigate and also make sure that you choose the best selling items and make money online. Can I show you now? Let's jump in right away. Welcome back, and as you can see on the screen, this is the dashboard. Whenever you log in, you'll see a very beautiful dashboard for you to choose most of your items so that you can sell them quickly on social media and make money online. Choose your own prices and then order for your clients and for your target group on social media or anywhere else, and then start making money. I will tell you more at the end of the video. Make sure you stick around at the end as I show you some of the most selling items that you'll never miss to sell whenever you share them out. As you can see, we are here on the top right corner is one of your favorite items that you feel you want to sell. Thousands and thousands of images and products on sale right away, direct from manufacturers. These ones here, they are earphones, they are beauty products, and then we have even watches, that is wrist watches, even electronics for yourself. Now what you have to do on the top right corner, click on this icon here, the filters. As you can see, whenever you see filters, there are thousands of categories you can choose around accessories. When you click on the accessories, you'll find it will show you what you feel like. Take for example, you can make sure you click on the button and then make sure you enable all of them. When you enable them, and make sure you check the boxes on the right corner and then apply the filters, this app will enable you to get right products at the first hand. So when you feel this is what you are interested and what your clients need, this is how to choose, and then it will come up. So you cannot sell everything, of course, but you can choose a category of items for you to make more money online. Now number 2 is let's check here on the bonus. Whenever you do that, which means this is the code that you'll use for you to invite in, and it's even in the description box under this video. So make sure if you love this video, you subscribe and don't miss any tutorials on how to use Moshop and make money online. Now here on this page, as you can see, you can copy this code, you can share it on Facebook, you can share it wherever you feel like. Take for example, if you have friends on social media, or if you want to directly send someone through any sharing applications, take for example Instagram, chats on Messenger, or direct message on Twitter, or even just a message, or Facebook, or even on WhatsApp, you can do that and then invite friends. Okay, now you can check your invitation list, the ones that have registered through your invitation. All data, you'll find it there. Then number 2, if you have any orders from your friends' orders, you can check them here and also feel encouraged. Okay, so many people are using it. It's your turn to sign up and start making money using Moshop. At the same time, don't forget to read the rules and regulations on how to navigate around on Moshop. So all these, it will be put together using a video format and step by step, enabling you to make money online. At the same time, if you have anyone like the code you can see here on top and you want to join Moshop, make sure you use this code and fill it in here so that whenever you make any purchase, and I also will make some little coin. Okay, so what you have to do, subscribe and join Moshop now using the code on your screen. Manage orders, make payments, return or exchange. This is why I love Moshop, is you can return or exchange a product whenever, if you have any complaint from your client or you didn't follow the instruction of the client and he has returned the item, you can do that. And then you can also track your commission. If you feel there's something wrong, these are the steps you follow, and I'll show you in the next video, so stay tuned. Now you click on my account on down there, down the bottom right corner, you can see there are vouchers. Okay, now whenever you click on the vouchers, you can use these vouchers for you to make sales. So everything is done for you. So what you have to do, you only use these vouchers. They are free of charge. You can click on them and then the images will come. You just copy all these, just copy and paste and start making money and put orders for your guys, and you can choose your own price and start making money online. Okay, now all these one you see will have to put all together step by step on how to move around and make orders. If you feel there are orders to pick, let's take for example, all these are my orders. Then we have orders to be continued, we have orders to be picked up. Okay, then there are some orders, the ones you feel they are supposed to be shipped, all of your data will be found here. Then completed orders, then the ones which have been returned or not. This is important. The down arrow shows you how you can download the image, you can share it on Facebook, you can share it on WhatsApp. So this is all done for you. Do you need any help? Then click here and see. You can also write to them, and also you can use this contact. The best you see, it gives you a comparison of how much is being sold on Wish, Kilimall, Jumia, and all other places. So if you want to sell here, it's retailing at $699, but when you click here, it will show you that on Kilimall is being sold at 1,099 shillings. What you have to do, if you are selling, do not quote the exact amount. What you have to do, make sure you sell above it. Okay, make sure you put some percentage so that you can earn something on your code. And you can also track when your order, when your invite or your friends make an order. Take for example for these earphones, this is how much you can earn. The commissions, first purchase on 699 shillings, you earn 55 bob. As it continues to go up and up, so continue staying here so you can make more money online. My name is Arnest and this is Moshop Tutorials. Next video, it's about how to make orders and how to navigate around, and I'll show you exactly how to share on social media. Keep here and watch in the next video right away.